Yo, team, run it up. What's up? Good morning. Check this out. Y'all want to play in the big leagues? This is what time you gotta wake up. You see what time it is right there? You see that? I'll put it like this. If you're not beating the sun up with whatever you're doing, you ain't really doing it. All right, fam, so check this out. I'm outside of the store right now, 5:39 a.m. right now, or 5:40, just switch to 5:40 a.m. Yo, this video is gonna be crucial. This is gonna be a crucial video, because we're gonna have fun, but I'm gonna show y'all how to really play this game like a pro. Now, check this out. I have a guaranteed earnings again, right, for $76. 3 batches for $76 guaranteed earnings. So what I'm gonna try to do off the rip is knock that out. And honestly, I'm gonna try to knock it out before Costco even drops. I'm gonna try to get 3 batches in before Costco drops. That'll be epic, because that's guaranteed. I'm gonna be guaranteed at least at $76 if I got 0 tips, right? But obviously that's not likely. Obviously, we're gonna get batches with tips, and hopefully big tips, little miles, little items, so that we can maximize that $76 guaranteed earnings, right? Now, for all the newbies out there, I know I'm talking over your head right now. I know I'm talking real fast, but just, yo, subscribe, watch the other videos, you'll understand the game. It's 5:41. And I'm outside the store like a pro. This is how pros do it, right? This is how my boy hit $600 in a single day. You know, I've hit 700, I think my all-time high. You know, I hit 500 that day. 2 customers increased the tip by like $100 almost. Like, that was unheard of. It was a $700 day. Just 2 days ago, 2 or 3 days ago, I hit a $500 day. And that's when I woke up early, played the game like a pro. Now, when you wake up early, it does not guarantee that you're gonna hit 500, 400, or even 300. It could be a really, really slow, sucky day. But your chances are very high to hit some crazy numbers when you wake up early. Let me tell you one thing, if you don't wake up early, there's no way you're hitting $500 days, $400 plus days. Well, you know, you could get lucky with a $400 plus day, but most likely there's no way you're gonna hit these days if you don't wake up at this hour. This is what the pros do. Like, this is how and it's crazy to even say like pro, like a pro Instacart shopper. It's not even about being a pro Instacart shopper. It's a pro entrepreneur. We wake up and beat the sun up. We wake up before the sun. No matter what you're doing as an entrepreneur, putting in the time and work until you get that luxury that your business pays you passively and you can wake up anytime. At the beginning, this is what pros do. They wake up at this hour to beat that sun up, and we run it up no matter what you do in life. I don't care if it's Instacart or not, right? So this is what we doing. And it's freezing out here, right, by the way. I just swiped a 41. But I'm a little iffy. I'm a little nervous because there's literally nothing in the store. I know that the truck didn't come. It's 50 items. And I'm just gonna gamble with this one right now. Hopefully we bang it out. Hopefully we find majority of the stuff. I know we're gonna have to refund some stuff, but hopefully we can walk away with not too many, right? But you see like that empty bin right there. We got empty bins over there, empty bins over there. But at least we got some berries. But we don't have the ones they want. They don't want organic. All right, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a little bit. I'm about to run it up. Yo, fam, this batch was crazy. Look at it, look at the cart. Big, it's packed. That cart is packed. This batch was freaking crazy, man. There was nothing in the store. And then the clutch came through like, oh my gosh, the clutch came through. All the people started coming out the back with produce, big pallets of produce. And I was like, yes. But it took a little bit more time because I had to wait for them to, like, you know, they're my people and they're my friends and everything. So they was grabbing stuff from the back for me. And, you know, it took me a little bit more time, but I got more of their items, so we're good. And I was sending the customer pictures all through the whole process, and they were happy. So hopefully this goes up, actually. Hopefully. Let's get it. Yo, team, run it up. Good news. Let's get it. I'm juiced up. I'm zooted. I'm running it up. Just swiped the 89. Delivered that 41 that went down to a 39. And I swiped the 89 double. Let's get it before Costco drop. Let's do this. All right, so yeah, this order it took a little bit longer to shop, but hey, it's an 89. I'm not tripping. I think I said 89. Whatever it is, I'm on my way to deliver it right now. All right, so we just made it to this second house. It's the 6th floor in this building. You see the building behind me? 6th floor. I'm gonna show y'all a little trick with the dolly real quick. Check this out. I got boxes. You don't want to smoosh the groceries, and I got boxes, and you know, 2 boxes with bags in it, and we don't want to make more than 1 trip. This is what you're gonna do right here. Check this out. Ready? I'm gonna take this box of groceries. I'm gonna put it on the dolly like so. I'm gonna take another box on top of it. Boom. Check that out. Stack that box on top upside down like that. Boom. And then I can put another box on top of that box. See how we rocking? I call that the box top, and I'm gonna bring that all up 1 trip. Let's get it. We are at what are we at? 1:32 before 10 a.m. And yesterday I don't even remember. But you see what it is now. Let's get it. It's getting chilly out here, right? That snow's coming. What's up, P?
What up, Brody? That's with the promotion or what? From the promotion?
Yeah, and I just swiped the 74 right now while talking to you. I'm at 220 right now, and it's not even 11 o'clock yet. It's 10:40, and I just swiped a banger. A 70 banger. Now this one's kind of far. It's at a different store, but I got lucky. Swiped it because I'm on a road at no sit time, man. No sit time, brother. Running it up today. This is gonna put me at close to 300 after I finish this. So let's run it up, man. I'm telling you, hit the like. Come on, y'all gotta hit the like for this video. I am literally crushing it today. Playing it like a pro. This is what happens when you play this game like a pro. You see what time I woke up. That's a key factor. Let's get it. Yo, I don't know what number batch this is right now, but I'm doing a 50. It's gonna put me at like 340. And it's not even 1 o'clock yet, yo. It's 12:30, so let me hurry up and crush this. Team, run it up. Let's get it.
One day I know I'm gonna be famous. Watch your back and listen, this is true when I say this. Boy, I ain't the type to play with. Anybody asking for a feature, tell them famous. Steady, we not hunting them, so tryna be persuasive. I know all my haters on the first name basis. I'm the type to steal the flow.
Yeah, it's 2:25 p.m. and we at 3:51 for the day right now. 3:51, like.
Bitch problems, not yet, but a been plotting. Pen gang got my wrist throbbing. All heat like I'm Sonny Crockett. Play with me, that's a risk.